with our device profiles, we want to explain to you what you can do with them. So just go to devices, click on profiles. So here you can create multiple profiles for multiple devices. If you want to add a new one, go to add new profile. So enter your profile name. You can select a department or your name, then profile description. And then select your device type. It's the tempmate JS. Then click on next. Here you have your settings for each profile. That means you can add a start delay, initial alarm delay, your log interval, your transmission interval, and your positioning interval. So I'm gonna set up the time intervals the way I need it. Then I have the calculated maximum operating time for 8 days. I could add a manual flight mode, but I don't want to, so I click next. Then I add our alarms. First of all, for our temperature, lower is 20 degrees. Add a new one with the upper limit of 35 degrees. Save it. Then we're gonna set our humidity alarms. Gonna select the lower limit. We're gonna put in 45%. Save it. New limit upper with 80%. Here I want to have an alarm delay of 10 minutes. Click save. Then we're gonna set our ambient alarms. Lower limit, we're gonna set 150 lux and add an upper limit of 1000 lux. In addition to that, I wanna have an impact detection. Click on next. Here you can set your responsible users. So I'm already set as a responsible user. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. You're gonna delete it. Now you can see here available users. It's just me. I'm gonna click on the plus. And then I'm a responsible user for this device. If you have not registered users, talking about temporary users, you can add them to click here, put in their names, their email address, and their mobile number if they want to receive notifications via SMS. If you want to do that, put in the information and click save. Then we're going next. Then we can add our custom fields. So I want to have notes because I want to put in some notes. I'm gonna click just on notes, and many customers prefer a tracking ID so they can track their parcels while they're on the way. Then you're finished. Click on finish. There you go. You created your first device profile. You can do that multiple times with multiple configurations for multiple teams. And so when you add a new device later on, you can select just the profile you need and you're done. Next thing we're going to talk about is about groups. So we're going to stay in our device department and going to click on groups. So you can create groups if you want to separate your devices into groups. So if you want to create a new group, click on add new group. Then you're going to put a name on it. Put marketing department in it. Select the time range for it. So I'm going to go back a little bit. Then I'm gonna select click on apply and put in a description. Click on next. Then we're gonna select our devices. Under available devices, you can select your devices by clicking on the plus. Now it's assigned to this group. Then you click next. Then you can select the necessary custom fields you need. Just gonna take notes. Then you're gonna set finish. So now you see your first group. If you want to edit it or view it, just click on view. And then your device will be shown. Like I said in the beginning, you can put in multiple devices into one group. So if you add one device, two devices, or many more, it doesn't matter. You can edit your groups by clicking on settings, add new devices by clicking on devices, or change your custom fields by clicking on custom fields. As part, we're gonna take care of our administration department here. So we just gonna click on it. Then you can see all the different subjects below: roles, users, company profile, company settings, and audit log. So let's start with the roles. With roles, we mean positions on the tempmate cloud. You can add them and remove them just how you want it. When you need to add a new role, just click add new role. First of all, you can add a name. You have to add a name to it, and then you can select the property you want to give the new role. Then just click on save. The next point is our company profile. Just click on company profile. There you can add your company name, your street, postal code, city, country, and you can also add your company logo. To get the best resolution out of your image, it is required to upload an image of 400 pixel multiplied 1200 pixels. If you're done here, just click on save. If you have multiple users working on the same account, you can select them for your devices and can say if the password will give you the opportunity to set if there's no expiration of your passwords, or you have to change it from 1 month to every single year. So we leave it here with no expiration because we don't want to change our password. So just click save. And for the last, our audit log. So like I said before, you can see what happened, who did it, with what message, and I was logged in, report test was created, so you can easily monitor what really happened to your account all day long. So thanks for your attention. Have a great day. Bye.